Hello, good morning. Today I am going to reading lesson 1 topic set exercise 1.1. Write the following set by listing method and also write the number of element of this set. A equal to prime number up to 13. A equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. B equal to x or z is a multiple of 4 less than 40. B equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 26, 32, 36. C equal to counting number greater than 2 and less than 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D number A equal to factor of 20. A equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Two number tick if the following sets are empty and cross if they are others than empty. The set of natural numbers less than 1 false. The set of even prime numbers true. The set of grade 6 student dear taller than 6 feet false. The set of odd number divisible by 2 false. Three numbers separate the finite and infinite set from the following set. If they are finite, write a number in element of this set. A equal to odd number greater than 20. A equal to 21, 23, 25, 27, etc. Infinite set. Prime number less than 20. P equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Finite set. C equal to composite number less than 20. C equal to 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18. Finite set. D number W equal to whole number less than 1. W equal to 0. Finite set. 4 number state which of the following set are equal. If they are equal, write them using equal sign. P equal to prime number from 2 to 9. Q equal to odd number from 1 to 8. P equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Q equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. P are not equal to Q. B number A equal to natural number less than 20 which is divisible by 2. B equal to even number less than 10. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19. B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. A are not equal to B. C number C equal to LURE. D equal to RULE. C equal to LURE. D equal to RULE. C R equal to D. D number A equal to factor of 16. B equal to natural number up to 16 which is divisible by 4. A equal to 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. A are not equal to B. 5 numbers separate the equivalent set from the following set. A equal to GOD. B equal to DOT. Set A and B are equivalent set. A number ABC 2x y equal to 1, 2, 3 to 12. Set A and Y are not equivalent set. C number C equal to LINE, D equal to FILE. Set C and D are equivalent set. D number G equal to 1 2 3 4 5, H equal to X such that is a natural number less than 6. Set G and H are equivalent set. 6 number if A equal to 0 1 2 3, B equal to 1 2 3, C equal to 0, D equal to empty, E equal to 1 2 3 and F equal to 1 are given set, then answer the following question. Write a number of element of each set. A equal to 0 1 2 3, B number. Which set have equal number of elements? Set B, E and C, F have equal number of elements. C number, identify the set which not even thus the number of element is equal. Set C and F are not equal even thus the number of elements is equal. Which set are equal? Right, set B and E are equal. 7 number, are the set A equal to 4 5 and B equal to CD equivalent? Right with reason. Set A and B are equivalent because number of set A and B is equal. 8 number, if A B C D and B equal to A B C D E, then A number, are the set A and set B equal? Set A and B are not equal. B number, what should we do to set A and set B for making them equal? We should be done to set A and B for making them equal. Remove the E from set B. The end. Thanks for watching.